Brand new replacement projector lamp with high quality ePharos bare bulb and housing. Ensure 30 days refund and 150 days warranty. Ensure 100% manufacturer from ePhaors factory. Fits for Epson EB S02, EB S11, EB S11H, EB S12, EB SXW12, EB SXW11, EB W02, EB W10, EB W12, EB W16, EB W16SK, EB X02, EB X11, EB X11H, EB X12, EB X14, EB X15, ATW 480, ATW 550, EX 3210, EX 3212, EX 5210, EX 6210, EX 7210, H428A, H428B, H429A, H432A, H431A, H433A, H435B, H435C, H436A, H518A, MG50, MG850HD. Generic replacement lamp. Brand new replacement projector lamp with brand new housing including 150 days warranty for the following Epson projectors: EX7210, EX5210, EX3210, VS210, VS315W, VS310 Home Cinema 710 HD Powerlite X12, X15, S11, 1261 watts. Manufacturer part numbers: ELPLP67, V13H010L67. Top reviews from the United States. Best price. Very happy with the price and quality of this lamp. My other lamp blew for my projector and this came fast. Very easy to switch out. I've had it now for 6 months and picture is still bright and clear as could be.